Okay guys, today I'm going to show you my deer hanging pole. I did another video on the door hanging system with the pulleys, so you can check that out if you want to know a good, really good way, sturdy way to hang your deer hanger. But that's on another video, so check it out. And this is going to be a pole. It's already in, so sorry I can't go step by step, but you probably wouldn't want to watch it anyway. It'd probably be an hour and a half long of me nailing in nails and doing measurements. So forget the boring stuff here. I'm just going to show you the end result and give you some measurements. This is a 6x6 press treated post. It's all the way down to the ground. You want to anchor that down in about at least 3 foot in the ground is what I would recommend. Then you need to pour sackcrete around that post. Make sure it's level when you set it, and then probably need to just let it sit for a day or two, let the concrete set up, and then go ahead and build the rest. But that is, I used a 14-foot 6x6 pole, and that's 3 foot in the ground, and I got an elevation issue here, so by the time you level it up, I got about probably 10 foot or so of actual head clearance here, so that's good. But whatever you want, if you want it longer, if you want it shorter, I'm just doing deer hanging. So that's the pole. Down the posts, the cross beams here on top, I use 2x4, but 2x6 would be stronger for what I'm doing. The 2x4 work, and it's what I had laying around. So if you're like me, got a bunch of scrap pieces laying around, then that's what I used. I notched the 6x6 post. See how the 2x4 is set, recessed in the post? So that makes it a lot stronger. They can't wobble up and down. And then I just ran one center bolt through the center, and then that bolt runs through, and that is actually a 6-inch bolt, but you want to make sure you get weather resistant, all the hardware, so it won't rust in the future. But probably could have ran a 7 or so on that. It's a little tight, but it works. I mean, it holds it tight. So both sides just recess the 2x4 in, and then come down a little bit, gives you more strength. If you put it on top, or if you nail it directly on it, I mean, you can do that, but I just think it's more strength to just take your saw, set the depth at 1.5 inches, and just run it back and forth about 10-20 times. And take a hammer, beat the wood out, and it gives you a nice little I-beam there. So, and then I drove some decking nails through also, just for added support. And I would say let it overhang some, so you're not cutting it flush with it. These are 2x4 by 10 foot long. They just happen to be 10, so I just left them. But I think it gives you a little bit added leverage there. And then your post coming across, I just put braces in there. 2x6 braces will work because you got a 6x6 post. So if you inset it like I did, then you can deal with, I guess, some on top, as you can see, and some on the bottom. Just drive it, screw it in with galvanized screws, decking screws, or if you got nails, decking nails. And then I had to tie into a metal building, as you can see. But if you have to set another post, then that's what you got to do. Do the same thing as the other side. Mine, I cut a 4x4 post, and it gave me the correct width I needed for the 6x6. Then I ran those bolts through the metal building and put nuts on the inside. I'll show you the inside, but you just got to line it up. I would recommend on one of the braces on the inside, one of the metal posts from the building. I went all the way through it. The same deal on this side. Whatever your measurement is, it's 5.5 inches for a 6x6, so I notched that 4x4 a little bit on both sides, and then ran a bolt through, same way as the other side, and then drove some nails through it, and then put bolts through the metal building, holding that up. And I'll show you on the inside on that also, and I caulked around everything just to keep the moisture, rain from leaking inside the bolts. And then that's about it out here. Long story short, a lot of work, but holds up really sturdy, and should hopefully help you out, give you an idea. It's good to have different ideas on how to do things, so hopefully this video will help you out. I'll go ahead and show you the inside bolt where I screwed it through the metal. Alright guys, this is a view from the inside. Try to reach up as high as I can. I just ran the drill bit dead center of that metal beam that's holding your siding, metal siding on. Ran it all the way through, put some washers and some nuts on it there. And tighten up really tight, and that just pulls the board on the outside really tight. So you got all of that holding the structure up. So it's pretty solid out there. Now I'll go back out there and kind of show you the final part. All right guys, so that's it. I mean, gives you an idea, gave you some measurements, stuff to think about. I mean, you can put this anywhere actually, because I mean, you can put the 6x6 on the other side. If you got you might have a wood building on the back side, and you can do the same thing, just different size bolts and stuff. But it gives you an idea. So hope this helps you out. And I added a floodlight out here, shining right on the deer hanger, and an outside switch. So when I'm standing here, I can just flip the switch on. I actually have a video on how to wire the switch and the light in from the wiring on the inside the building. So you can stand out here and just flip the switch on. So check out that video, and please like the video. Give me any comments if you tried this system out here. And if you like it, let me know. And if it helped you out, let me know. And go ahead and hit the like button for me. I would really appreciate it. And if you subscribe, I got a lot more videos you might like and want to check out. So please subscribe. Helps me out and let me be able to do more videos, and lets me know that you guys are enjoying this, and that if I can just help some people out, because there's not a lot of videos out there. A lot of them don't make sense. So just check it out, subscribe, like. I appreciate you watching.